Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure the phone has enough charge and the screen is unlocked so nothing interrupts you. If Talkback is speaking, use two-finger swipes to navigate because single taps are read aloud as actions. Locate and open the Settings app by double-tapping the Settings icon or using your gesture shortcut. Once Settings is open, move to Accessibility. This is where Talkback lives. Keep movements deliberate and pause to listen between actions so you don't mistrigger an option. Now navigate into Accessibility to find the Talkback toggle. You can type Accessibility into Settings search for speed or go Settings System Accessibility depending on your color OS version. When you reach the accessibility list, locate Talkback or Screen Reader. It's often near vibration and hearing features. With Talkback active, select the entry by double-tapping and use two-finger scrolling inside the Talkback page. This reveals the on/off control and related settings you'll need to change. To disable Talkback, double-tap the toggle labeled Talkback or Screen Reader. You may need to confirm via a dialog, double-tap Confirm. Once it's off, switch back to single-finger taps and normal gestures to verify the UI responds normally. If the toggle is unresponsive, use the accessibility shortcut. Press both volume keys for 3 seconds if enabled, or power cycle the phone and try again. If problems persist, check accessibility shortcuts and update Color OS in settings to fix possible bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.